In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video in PowerPoint from a selected file. Let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can launch it from your desktop, the Start menu, or your Applications folder. Open an existing presentation if you're adding a video to slides you've already built, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. It's always a good idea to save your file before and after adding media so you keep your work safe. Next, choose the slide where you want the video to appear. In the left-hand panel, click the slide thumbnail to select it. Think about the layout and the message on that slide so your video complements rather than competes with your text or images. Now head to the Insert tab at the top of the window. This tab is your go-to for adding media and other elements. Look for the Media section, then click Video. You'll see a drop-down menu that gives you different video sources. Select this device. This option tells PowerPoint you want to add a video file that's already saved on your computer. It works well for tutorials, promotional clips, or screen recordings you've exported. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder that holds your video, maybe your downloads, desktop, or documents. Click the video file you want. Common formats like MP4 and MOV typically work well. When you're ready, click Insert. PowerPoint will place the video directly onto your slide, and you'll see a preview frame right away. With the video on the slide, you can adjust its size and position. Click the video once to select it, then drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions correct. Avoid stretching from the sides, which can distort the image. Drag the video to the best spot on the slide, leaving room for titles or key points so nothing important is covered. To customize how it plays, click the video to reveal the playback tab. Here, choose when the video should start. Select automatically if you want it to play as soon as the slide appears, or on click if you prefer to start it during your talk. You can also trim the video to remove extra seconds at the beginning or end, adjust the volume, and enable looping if you need the clip to repeat. Finally, test your slide. Go to the slideshow tab and choose from current slide. Make sure the video plays smoothly and the audio level is comfortable. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.